payment gateway is another payment gateway called InstaMojo. This is also very popular payment gateway, and it allow merchant to instantly start getting payment. Okay, whether you have a website or you don't have website, you can use their payment gateway to collect the money. This is another plus point they have claimed on their website. It is an Indian payment gateway, easy to set up. Really, it's very easy to set up. Anyone who has a proper, who has a email IDs and all, they can set up. But strict in document verification. Some of the business, suppose you are selling the jewelries and all, rolled gold jewelries and all, or somehow you have not defined your proper business models, and then your website is explaining something what you have selected at the time of setting up the account, because every payment gateway asks what kind of nature of your business and so many other details. So in that case, they may be strict. If it's a normal e-commerce and you are just selling some like groceries products or ready-made products and all, in that case it's fine. But in terms of golds, they don't allow to sell the gold through this business, or maybe they have a proper they have a different or strict documentation and verifications and all. So in that case it may be difficult for you. And also it has an option to individual. So one point I forgot to mention in the all, but I'll mention in the last, and that is whether they allow to set up the individual or not. So I think CC Avenue, I'm not sure whether they allow individual account setup, like a personal account setup. Suppose you don't have a business, you have a freelancing and you want to set up a business, or you don't have any registration till now, but still you want to use the payment gateway. So there are two kind of account. There's a personal and another is the business. So if the business are from it's like if you have registered your company, or you have registered a proprietorship. So in that case you can call it as a business account, and you can use that. If you don't have any certificate like GST or MSME certificate, or you don't have a proprietorship certificate, or you don't have registered a firm like private limited or LLP or something, so in that case you can go for the personals and all. So okay, fine. So let's talk about the service charge of InstaMojo, and I will tell one very important point in this. And the thing is, service charge, setup charge, again they don't charge anything, and again the annual maintenance charge, again it's a zero transaction fees on NEFT and RTGS. I think we have not seen till now anyone who is offering zero transaction charge on NEFT and RTGS, but InstaMojo gives an option. If somebody using NEFT on the website and NEFT payment, NEFT payment, so in that case there will be zero transaction fee. But again, transaction fee per transaction, flat is 2% plus 3% transaction. This is what I was talking about A, B, C in the last payment gateways, where the CC Avenue was not charging any additional amount. But here you can see 2% plus 3 rupees plus 18%. This is really till now, as we saw, we have talked about the CC Avenue, we have talked about the PayU Money, we have talked about the cash free. This is the highest amount they are charging as a service charge. Okay, so 2% plus 3 rupees plus 18%. So I hope if somebody is going to pay, again we'll take the example of 100 rupees. So this will become our 2% of 100 rupees is 2 rupees. 3 rupees extra on per transaction, and then 18%. So 5 rupees plus 18% of this 5 rupees. So something so 2%, 3 something around, it will be 7 rupees again. So in India itself, Indian payment gateway, and in India, somebody, your customer from India, they are paying, it will be charged something around 7 rupees some paisa. For the digital product, they have a different charge. They charge something like 5% and plus 3 rupees plus 18% GST. So suppose you are selling 100 rupees of product, you are getting a margin of only 2 rupees, and for the payment gateway this is going to be apply 7 rupees. So here again you are going to lose 5 rupees extra. So why you will be losing this much money? But I will tell what is the plus point of this payment gateway. If you are selling a normal product, okay, which is groceries and all, or some normal paintings and papers and books and all, stationaries and the normal product, day-to-day use product, in that case it will be benefit to set up your account. Suppose you don't have a registered business, in that case you can go for this InstaMojo to start. Suppose you you are very urgent to start, as they are claiming this, they are instant, instant option they have to start your business and start getting start receiving money from the customers. In that case, it is really very, very good thing for you if just you want to start. Later you can move to other payment gateways. You are never stopped to, or you are never, you are signing any agreement with any payment gateway, so you will be using this payment gateway for 10 years or 2 years at least on your website. You will be not using other payment gateway, so you can go for the other payment gateway when you will be ready with your business certificates and all. But in this payment gateway, this is a plus point, is you can go faster, and we can start, at least you can launch your website with this payment gateway. For starting, you'll have a less transactions, so no need to worry about the margins and all. At least you can start the business. This is the plus point. And international service, the last point in the service charges, international service. Suppose you want to receive payment from the international, like as we have seen, 3 payment gateways, 3 to 4 last payment gateways, and they are supporting credit card, international credit cards and all, and customers can pay by using international cards and with the separate or extra service charges. But on this case, InstaMojo, they have a certain limits. So first of all, you have to get some payments from the Indian payment gateways. You must have received some payments from India, then only they will activate. After that, you have to make a request to them, their team. You have to write a mail to their official mail ID, and then they are going to activate this international service on your website. So this is a disadvantage. I can say disadvantage only if you are going to launch your business on international level. But suppose you are launching your business on India basis only, in that case it's fine. So again, we'll talk about here in the key features. So it doesn't support international card, as I said. On request, you have to request with them. Multi-currency, they doesn't support. As I said, some of the payment gateways will talk in this video, and here it is. They don't support the multi-currency, they just support the INR. Okay, so suppose you want to activate dollar on your website and you want to receive payment on dollar, so there won't be any option. Withdrawal fee again is 0, and settlement days is 3 working days. Okay, so it's quite equal to similar to PayUmoney. Okay, so 3 working days, like suppose somebody is going to make payment today, so tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and after that, so like this 3 days. Okay, and that's the working days. And customer support, they have a chat support, so you can use chat functionality on their online website. Their working time, they are available, and even though working days, I think they are not available on weekend. I'm not sure about that, but for weekdays they are available on chat, and you can, sometimes you may have a lot of queue, but most of the time you can get an option. They really support. Nowadays they are supporting fine. If I'll talk about the earlier experience when I was running my own business rather than working in the IT field, so that time, I'm talking about the 2018, 17, 18, that time they had a very worst service of the support. They don't have any call support and all, and so many things. But lateral, I think after charging this much amount, they started giving at least they started giving a better support. So yeah, they reply to your mail if you are writing any mail, or if you are confused with your document submission, where the PayUmoney, about if you have a document confusion with the PayUmoney, so you may get a problem there because they don't have a proper reply in the mail even. But in InstaMojo, this is the one plus point, is they reply proper mail. Whenever you are writing an email, they will reply, or else you can go to the chat and there you can inquire about the about your query and all. So fine. And again, they don't have a direct call numbers and all. I don't think they have a call number. I have never seen that in their support. They have a call number, they have a mail, and their chat support. Okay, but that's quite good. I'll talk about let me keep here. Okay, I'll talk about the supported e-commerce. So CMS again, so it supports Magento, PrestaShop, OpenCart, WordPress, and Shopify also. So I think if you majorly we are running our e-commerce platform on this, you can use their pre-built plugin and easily you can install on your website. So fine. And the mobile app payment gateway integration not available as of now. Suppose if you have a plan to like Android app and iOS app, in that case you may not have a Java code, or the code you can configure with the mobile. They have a just for the website, and good. Okay, so if you have a website you can use, or if you have a plan for mobile app payment gateway integration, in that case you can move to some other payment gateway, as we have seen so many payment gateways.